This is an example for solving a linear inequality, problem type 3. When you're solving an inequality, you solve it like you would an equation, but you need to remember one additional rule. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must change the direction of your inequality. Okay? So let's solve this example first. I have 1 is less than a negative 2y plus 9. So if that was an equal sign, the first thing I would do would be to subtract 9 from both sides. So let's subtract 9 from both sides. And then we rewrite our inequality. That's going to be a negative 8 is less than a negative 2y. And now in order to get y by itself, you need to divide both sides by a negative 2. And that is going to give you a positive 4. Now remember, when we divide or multiply by a negative number, the direction of the inequality changes. So we change the direction, and this negative 2y divided by negative 2 gives us a y. So this is 4 is greater than y, or you could also read this as y is less than 4. Okay, so if you want to put the y first, the direction of the inequality would change as well because you're switching sides and you want it to read the same thing. So if you're reading this in terms of y, this would be y is less than 4. And see, this is y is less than 4 when it's written in this way as well. Okay? So remember, you can add and subtract negative numbers, and it doesn't affect the inequality sign. It's only when you multiply and divide by a negative number. Okay, so here we have one more example to do, and I just want to show you I could switch sides now, or I can wait until I get down to the my solution here. So if I want to switch sides, negative 3x minus 7, again, I want this value is less than 8, so I want to put less than 8, so the inequality changes directions as well, because we want it to say the same thing, has the same meaning as what was given here. Okay, and then you just go ahead and you go through the problem like you normally would. You add 7 to both sides, and 7 plus 8 is 15. And then you're going to divide both sides by a negative 3. Now when I divide by negative 3, the direction of the inequality changes, and 15 divided by negative 3 is a negative 5.